Hello guys, I am and I am going to tell you something about nouns. Noun has different kind of classifications, and first of them is proper nouns. Proper nouns are the naming words that we use in our day-to-day life. Proper nouns are the nouns of or the names of some event, of some places, of some mountains, of some rivers, and of some people. We always use proper nouns to denote our day-to-day activity. And here are some examples of proper nouns. This is Himalaya, which is a mountainous range, and this is a proper noun. And therefore, we also have a name of a river, the mighty Ganges. What we in our local language call Ganga, it is in English is Ganges or Ganges. Therefore, of a people, we have two famous celebrities. They are Virat Kohli and Sunil Chhetri. And I believe everybody in this platform know about their names. So they are proper nouns. There are also some places we are acquainted with. These places also are proper nouns. This is Kolkata, which is a proper noun, and so, the Eiffel Tower is also a proper noun. So, I'm going to tell you more about proper noun. But before that, I want to give an exercise so that you can get hold of the basic of the proper noun. As you can see there, dash is a beautiful place. Now we have a name of a place in this among these 5 or 6 options, and this is Kolkata. So being a proper noun, we can put Kolkata in this gap. Now the sentence is getting meaningful as Kolkata is a beautiful place. Now, for the second example, I will write here we can see I know dash personally. So when we know somebody personally, that means we know some people, right? For that, we have 2 options of people here. It is Sunil Chhetri or Virat Kohli. So we can write one of them in there so that the sentence gets meaningful. So I know Sunil Chhetri personally. Now the proper noun is here, Sunil Chhetri. For the third example, I will write another gap. Michael visited dash during his vacation. Now we can use the proper noun of a event or a place. Here we have several options. This is Himalaya, Ganges, or the Eiffel Tower. We can say that Michael visited Eiffel Tower during his vacation. So we are getting hold of what proper noun is. Now I would like to ask you about how will you fill the gaps of the next two sentences. As we all know that Kolkata is on the bank of a river, and we all know the name of the river. Dash is the youngest mountain in the world, and we all know the name of the mountain which I have written there, so it will be the answer. Now take some seconds and think about the questions and answer them properly. If you like the class, please let me know on the comment section, and if you have any queries regarding proper nouns, please let me know on the comment section. We will discuss about more classifications of nouns in the next class.